Come on and eat. Stir fry. Super delicious sugar snap peas with shrimps. And we enjoy this with Texas toast and natural dessert of fruits. Strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and our lemon tea. Yum, this side of heaven. And more super delicious food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, in this divine cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes available worldwide online in ebook, Kindle, paperback formats. And a third order, yes, that's me speaking to you about the video. New York City school teacher here in the USA, Korean, who wrote more than 15 books. One of them is here. Yes, I'm Juanita Gutierrez. You'll find it in my author central page, ex libris, my website, juanitagutierrez.com, eBay, Barnes& Nobles, Amazon, of course, and all online global stores. Come on and eat. Let's enjoy my beloved mom's super delicious this side of heaven food recipes, and one of them is here: Texas toast on top, toppings of sugar snap peas with shrimps, and our natural dessert: strawberries, blackberries, blueberries from the universe creator we call God, or whatever you call it, our source creator. And we thank and love our food. First of all, of course, our source creator, our collective family, the galactic family of light, of higher dimensions, our ascended masters, archangels, spirit guides, walking guides, nature kingdom beings, the plant kingdom, animal kingdom, etheric kingdom, crystal fairies kingdom, our spirit guides and walking guides. We thank all of them. We love our food for nourishing us. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. You're gonna love this. You're going to fall in love with this as I do. This is super delicious. This side of heaven. Come on and eat. Yum. Masayang pagluluto. In Tagalog language, happy cooking. Napakasarap. That means super delicious. This side of heaven. Enjoy. Yum.